Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Today we are unboxing my Boxycharm Premium and it is hefty. I sure do love this box. I've only been disappointed with it a couple times. One time a total failure was the Fenty collection box. That was a big fail for me. But normally there's a lot of good stuff in here. And it's a $35 a month box. And it has a bunch of stuff in it. I can't remember how many items it's supposed to have. But we open it like this. And we see that there are things in here. And there is a card. Let's put the spectacles on, right? So Rhonda can read. And we love to talk about ourselves in the third person. And this is Bubble Inglets this month is the theme. And it looks like there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in the box this month. And I did get to choose one of them. And I will get to that momentarily. And let's get my calculator together so we can add the value as we go. I've got so much stuff. My table is so small. Anyway, that's not your problem. Don't worry about it. I make do. So this is the first thing I see in the box, and it says True and Luscious. Ooh, we love those things. Lucky Glow Bronze and Highlight Palette. And you see it's got a beautiful winged pair of lips. And it says Good Clean Glam on the back. And this is the packaging, just like the little carton. Ooh, this is pretty. And it looks like this would be a very pale, these are some like pretty pale bronzers. And then some highlights. And then we have a mixed marbled kind of a splattered look. So I've got a lot of face palettes. So I don't know that I'm going to do anything swatch-wise with this one so far. Because I do have so many. But let's read and see what it says on the card about the True and Luscious Lucky Glow. And this Anytime, Anywhere Summer Essential Palette features ultra-fine textures and pure pigments in a sheer base to create a veil of luminous skin-loving color where each luxurious handcrafted shade alone or blended together for a customized look. MSRP $46. All right, so that's a good start to the box. And a lot of people would love to have it, but I just got another face palette in my box from Iconic London in my Boxy Luxe. So I already got one face palette this month. Let's see what else we have here. And ooh, this is a nice big box, and this is a fancy product, and we love it. We love Elemis. We love Elemis here quite a bit. And this is the Elemis Peptide Plumping Pillow Facial. The super cooling gel mask glides onto the skin, creating a biometric veil that's clinically proven to lock in moisture, leaving skin looking younger and feeling plumped and moisturized with moisture upon waking. And this is a $65 value. So let's take a look at this bad boy. This is a big box. And Elemis, I like Elemis quite a bit. Here's a little pamphlet that comes with it. Oh, and this is a big heavy jar. And this is full size. And it's very pretty. And that definitely is something that more than pays for the box, because it is a $35 box. So this alone makes the box worthwhile for me. If I got nothing else that I liked, I would be super happy with that. So the next, oh, let's see. We've got some Glam Glow items. And this is the Glam Glow Glow Lace Radiant Boosting Hydration Sheet Mask. And look at that, it's got like little silver stuff weaved on the face mask. And then this is a Glam Glow Eye Boost Reviving Eye Mask, and this is a silver eye mask. I do love silver things, but I don't know if I love these. Glam Glow has a great reputation for skincare, so let's read about these. And the Glam Glow Eye Boost Reviving Sheet Mask and Glow Lace Radiance Boosting Hydration Sheet Mask. Party's over, dullness. Party's over, dullness. The Eye Boost Metallic Mask, Masquerade Mask, addresses the entire eye area, revived, revitalized, and energized with hyaluronic acid and smooth skin smoothing algae. Why is it so hard for me to read today? I don't know, but it is. Skin smoothing algae and mushroom extracts to reduce the look of dry, fine lines. Glow Lace Sheet Mask uses the power of hyaluronic acid, green tea, and caffeine to deliver hydration and re-energize the skin. Formulated in 2 pieces so you can get the perfect fit. All right, that's very cool. And that is $18. So very nice. And it's a little nicer than a regular, paper sheet mask. Next up, we have from Crown Brushes. All Eyes on You 5-piece Lexi brush set. This 5-piece set provides the necessary tools for the application of all my eye makeup looks. The luxuriously silky brush delivers optimum and even coverage for a perfect finish every time, adding depth and definition to your look. And this is a $34.95, so let's just call that $35. And let's take a look at these eye brushes. I've been getting a lot of brushes lately. Got brushes in my Boxycharm. Oh, these do look nice. And I am on the look for some good new eye brushes. And look at that. Those look like great brushes. And maybe I'll add them. I'll try them out in my set of brushes that I'm using right now. It's a kind of a hodgepodge of different companies. But maybe I'll give these a go. Why not? 2 more things left. And we already said it was $34.95 for that. And it's so big. It's so big. It is from Elizabeth Mott. It's So Big Volumizing Mascara. The volumizing mascara of your dreams. This mega volume long last max curl mascara lasts all day with no smudge. It features flexible tubing polymers that coat each lash, making it water, tear, and sweat resistant to hold lashes in place all day long. Flexible tubing polymers coat each lash, making it water. Oh, I just said that. So anyway, it's got that tubing. Some people really like the tube mascara, and this is $20. Very nice. Might give that a go. I have so much mascara right now, it's crazy. And then last but not least, very exciting, it is a Viseart palette or Viseart, depending on who you speak to. And this is what my choice was for the box, and it's a palette. It's a neutral matte Milieu 14 12-pan eyeshadow palette. Let's take it out of here. Milieu. It's very, very beautiful. Let's open it up without the reflect. There we go. It's a very beautiful warm palette. There we go. And this is a palette that embodies 12 matte shades, ideal for accenting, sculpting, and creating striking reflective beauty. This sumptuous shadow collection descends from the iconic 01 Nude Mattes palette and is inspired by the concept of milieu, centeredness in your environment. Add depth, dimension, and intensity to any look with this luxurious assortment of neutral hues, from pale chiffon to warm cocoa and fuchsia dahlia, that complement all skin tones beautifully. And this is $80, which is amazing. And that puts our box at $264 for this month, which is a great value for $35. So I'm really excited. So we have the Viseart, we have the crown brushes, we have the It's So Big mascara, we have the face masks, we have the Amazing Elemis, and then we have the True and Luscious Lucky Glow. And I think for $35, it's a great box this month. Is it my favorite box? No, but it's really freaking good. I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.